How's it going, you guys? So today I'm going to be installing the new 2020 Infiniti shift knob and boot into my 2014 Infiniti Q50. I've seen only about one video on YouTube that explained how to do it, and it was a little hard to understand. The video was a little poor quality, so I wanted to shoot one for you guys, help you guys understand it, and show you that it is possible to do it and how it is going to work. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to disconnect your boot from your shift knob. So a little bit of pressure. We're going to throw this guy in neutral. There's going to be a pin. You're going to take that with the needle nose, pull straight back. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply pressure lifting up. Right. Alright guys, so after taking out 1, 2, and 3 screws, I then grab my flathead screwdriver, and there'll be little side edges here that I'm just slowly getting it between to kind of lift up all around. Side should pop right there. Alright, sweet. Yeah, just slowly but surely maneuver it out. And there is your cup holder. Now we go for this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, and then we start getting to the boot. Oh, and this screw right here. The silver piece looks as if it just slides right out, but let's just double check on that. Awesome. Sweet. Alright, so then next what we're going to want to do is disconnect our drive mode. And we're going to turn the car off for this. Alrighty. Let's just shift it to park so it'll shut up. Well, I don't think it will shut up. Go. Should just click right out. Sweet, there's this piece. Alright. So then we're going to pop this out of place, pop this out of place. Going to then take this guy. Should come out of there like that. We're going to disconnect this boy. Boom. That's that. And then this one is our, I believe what is this one? Actually, oh, this is the LED lights for. Sweet, alright. There is our disassembled piece that we need to access. Alrighty, you guys, so now that we have our middle console disassembled with the boot attached to it, we need to then detach the boot from the console itself. So that's what we're going to jump into real quick. Right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding the boot on. Should pop off, and that is our old boot. Alright, so time for the new boot. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to be putting this just like this, the exact same way that we found it. Super easy. And it fits right in the exact same spot, just like that. Alright, it's all tightened on. Alrighty, you guys. And there it is. there's the piece. She is all put on just like I wanted it. This is the old one. This is the new one. This is going to be perfectly fitting the stitching on the new shift knob that I bought. So this is gonna set that aside and we're gonna reinstall this and then we'll get right to the installing that. How's it going, you guys? So today I'm going to be installing the new 2020 Infinity shift knob and boot into my 2014 Infinity Q50. I've seen only about one video on YouTube that explained how to do it, and it was a little hard to understand. The video was a little poor quality, so I wanted to shoot one for you guys, help you guys understand it, and show you that it is possible to do it and how it is going to work. So let's just let's jump into it. Alright, you guys, so now we need to reinstall our piece right here. So first things first is this guy. We gotta remember to plug it back in right there, all plugged in. This one goes right there, all plugged in. And I know you guys can't see me doing all these little pieces, but I just want to let you guys know that it's really just very straightforward and pretty self-explanatory. Alright, next we are going to install this guy right here. So we're gonna angle it up, in. It sketches me out because this piece is so frail. Wow, it just literally clips right in. Runs. Sweet. So just make sure and do these two screws and this one right here. And as you guys can see, the lights on here work and everything like that, so that's all good. The sport mode, everything is still back to normal. So alright, so this will be right for that side. This will be for this side right here. Also, awesome. Alright, now for the most exciting part. Alrighty, this guy is going to slide straight down there. We're going to take our pin, and we're just going to slide it right over it, clips right in. Alrighty, and then we're going to lift this up. Alright, you guys, and that is how you install a newer Infinity shift knob on the 2014 Infinity Q50. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good one.